Uh-huh. Yeah, you're doing good.
What is the name of your pet, Chef?
Willie.
Willie?
Willie the African Grey.
Like how many olds? How many olds? Olds or other years?
Thank you.
How old?
He's... How old are you? 17? Mm-hmm.
17 years
You're
old.
17?
17 years old.
Nice parrot. You're a good bird.
He's amazed. Too much people around him.
You want to do the bat? Hmm? Hmm? Here. Come on. Get the other one. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Up you go. Yeah. Okay, you ready? We're gonna do bat. Ready? Do the bat. Yeah, back, 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 down, 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 down. No, both hands. Both hands. What are you doing?
Exhibition.
What are you doing? Yeah. You good? You good? Yeah, you're such a good bird. Yeah.
Like a baby,
Still
huh?
had some.
What about if Erlinda... Can you miss
Close the
Erlinda?
door.
Erlinda.
Close the door. Willie's here. Willie's here. Hi, Willie.
Huh.
Let him talk, Chef.
Oh, he talks, yeah. He does.
Do you bite hard?
Unforgivingly. Right to the bone.
Ay.
Jab.
That's his way of saying, move away,
Keep
please.
away.
Oh, yeah.
He won't bite you right away. He'll just grab your finger and move it away. Who are all these people? There, step up.
Pretty you are.
Yeah. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Move it.
That's right. You're so good. Look at all those people.
That's really cute.
Look at them all.
And healthy.
Are you happy?
Your daddy.
Are you happy? You being a good bird? Mm-hmm. Look at all those people, hey?
It's like a shot. Like a...
Wow, how is he ever cute?
Yeah, he's a good bird. He's a nice parrot. Hey? You guys didn't see him play dead, right? Only the level 2 saw that trick? Yeah. You want to see him play dead?
Hi, pretty boy.
Come here.
Hello.
I know. Yeah, I know. You ready? Are you ready? Here, look. Let's lay down. Yeah. Bang. That's his play dead trick. He's so cute, eh? Okay, step up. Go on. Let's go. On two. Yeah, what a nice bird.
Oh.
There you go. What's over there? What's over there, eh? Yeah. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Yeah, so my furnace kind of died last night and started to smell in the house. So I had to bring him in.
Oh, yeah.
Right? You want a head scratch? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Like Chef.
He's so cute, eh?
That's adorable.
This was my ex-wife's bird.
A man and his bird.
And I inherited him, right? So he and I live together now. So we're pals,
Oh, yeah.
right?
How old is he?
He's 17. Hmm?
And these birds will live up to, they can live up to 100.
Who's a nice parrot?
100 years.
You nervous? Yeah, you're gonna have a poop, are you? Okay, step up.
Oh, we got lots of people.
Oh, he always poops.
Level 1?
He lives to poop. That's his style.
Oh,
Good
anyway.
job. Hmm? You want some peace and quiet now? Hmm? Put you in the cage?
Lots of excitement, eh?
You get to live here? Okay, say bye to everybody. Bye-bye. Hmm?
Pretty boy.
So when he gets more comfortable, he'll start talking. He'll say, hi, how are you? Good bird. Pretty bird.